Welcome back to the video, guys. I finally have time to work on the FD again. Last time you guys saw, I had some finished mounting it completely, and now I gotta do the shrouds. So that shouldn't be too hard once I find the hardware for it, because I lost it again. But give me a quick second to look for it, and then we can get to working on the car.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
So current situation, I also forgot that I have to figure out this wiring before I can put the intercooler on. So this fan wiring, I don't know, the previous owner of this FD did a few things that I don't understand. These signal lights, I have one plug, and then the other side, didn't notice, but after inspecting it further, thoroughly, yeah, she's missing a plug, so. But the good thing is, I have bolts that'll fit for the ducting. What I'm going to use is oil metering pump bolts, but it'll be fine. It's always ready. And they're going to go in here and in here. That should hold everything up so that we can put everything together. So far, 2 bolts in. That wiring is going to be the tricky part, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Bolt, duct, bolt, ducting. Oh boy. Oh, and I didn't show it in the last video, but I also mounted the fuse box here. Should be easy enough to access, even with the front bumper, we'll see. I have no idea. My child is crying. What do you want? What do you want? We're doing vlogs. She doesn't like to leave me alone. Either that or she doesn't like to be alone. Say hi. She doesn't want to. So the only thing so far that I've done with wiring is I obviously took off the protective cover, moved it around. I have enough length to get over here. And the only thing that was stopping me was this ground. It was all taped up, so I just ripped off everything. I think the only thing I need to really do is, I don't know if I have a wire fat enough for this gauge, but it goes to the fans and they connected it like that. So what I'm gonna probably do is cut this wire, extend it so that this goes back to the stock location over here in the front, and then that way everything should be together. I don't know if there's any specific order to this, but I just disconnected and untangled these wires just to see what I had going, so I gotta go find some wires so I can extend that. I think in the meantime I can actually put this duct in for good too. I'll probably do that right now. I got 2 more of these left, so might as well use them. Secure one side of the duct kit. So far I can stretch this wire all the way through under here. I actually kind of already started routing it so that it'll connect here into that one. And I still have to extend it. Not sure if I can just put a ring terminal on this and then just ground it instead. We'll see. I probably could. But I need to get this wire redone. It's an airbag wire over there. And then after that, probably wrap everything up. And I already connect this thing. Probably tape these up together so they don't get loose. But yeah, making good progress. I gotta mount this bar in here. I do need to make a hose from here to here. Unfortunately, the hose that I was gonna use was a clear hose that my dad got because he did a aluminum coolant tank on his G35, but it burned in the fire, so I can't use that. I have to buy a new one. But so far, we're moving along. Just an FYI, it sucks to be disorganized, so don't be disorganized, because the ring terminals, I can't find them. I have to spend a couple minutes looking for them, and then find them, or they'll figure out a different solution. And something that could take as easy as like 2 minutes to do takes forever. So be organized when you're working on cars. Make sure you, everything, tools, parts, it helps. So I found my box of crappy electronic stuff, and I found one at the very bottom. So I'm gonna put that on the wire and then just bolt it down somewhere, and hopefully that should be okay, and that should be enough. So at least we have one, and we only got one shot, so I don't want to miss. Okay, didn't want to show it because all I did was really wrap the wiring up in tape, and I was able to route it, connect both of them. I'll probably zip tie it so it doesn't go flopping around, but I don't think it'll hit anything. And for this, I'm most likely just going to try to ground it somewhere. We'll find out. This stuff is almost done. So I got my ring terminal. I actually took this bolt out of right here. I sanded it a little bit, so all I have to do now is just cut the wire, crimp it, bolt it down, and ground wire should be good. So let's get to it. So it needs a little bit of adjustment, but that's pretty much what a V-mount setup is. Got the intercooler on top. I'm gonna have to figure out something for this. Probably just get a couple that's gonna be long enough. And then obviously I already have the pipe for this side. This is gonna be sick. Can't wait to get it running. This has taken a lot more than I expected it to, but that is a V-mount setup so far. Like I said, I gotta do a battery relocation, and I gotta also make that coolant line, and then probably load on the map to the Abtronic for a single turbo, and then hopefully get somebody from the rotary tuning gods to tune it. But yeah, we're almost done. I think this is as far as I can make it today. I gotta go to the store, pick up materials, but working full time, so it's kind of late right now and I don't have money or time. But thank you guys for watching. We're almost done with the V-mount install. Please bear with me. Keep watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, so that we can finish this car faster. Peace. Thanks for watching.